spindle, yeah.
Okay. Is anybody in that building? No, we just ran. I'm running to that building. I'm running to the building. Shoot after me. Hang on, hang on. I gotta reload. I gotta reload. There's a guy in the doorway. Oh, he's hit.
Good shot.
He's hit. Gotcha, buddy.
Go, go, go.
Watch the alley! Watch the alley!
On your gun, you're out. It's on your gun.
That's our max range right here, right?
Can we move up more or no?
No, that's it right here.
This is it?
So I think we go up one more, I think.
We need to run that side and make it last. Watch that outside, be on the floor. Copy that. Oh yeah, one in that room,
Run left.
You're hit on your gun, you're out.
Left side peeker, left side peeker.
You're hit on your mask, you're out.
Yeah. I think we're at max range now, huh?
Right?
I'm on your 6, Alan.
Okay. I see somebody through this crack. He keeps running in front of that crack, so there is somebody in that room.
I almost shot a run too.
One on left, one on left.
You're hit by somebody.
My bad!
One of us got you.
Probably me.
That was hilarious.
Clear right.
Clear? Okay.
Woo! Shit! Someone shoot right over my head.
Yeah, there's one behind
From
me.
behind us.
I don't see. Oh, okay, there's movement in that crack again.
Copy that.
Looked like they went to the left. Wait, now they're blocking the entire crack. Oh, they went to the left. They're going that way. Man, I want to run up in there so bad.
There's that one. Changing. Copy that. I got 2 at the school. I'm on D now.
Here comes somebody. I see ya.
Copy. Copy, he's out, he's down, one down. One to go. On left.
I see ya.
You're out, buddy, you're out.
Yep.
One confirmed left, dead. No, he's not. We have one confirmed on left.
Yep.
Two down, two down, two down. That's in the corner. One at the end of the building. Copy that. Full. Full, one at full.
I'm not seeing any movement in there. Man, they're fucked as soon as they call that 5 minutes because I'm running in there. Alright, someone walked by. I don't know if they're coming to the door or not. I think they were leaving.
One at the end of the building, left side. Copy that.
Oh, he got me. Good shot, man. I'll be back. Finally got me.
Is there a break?
Yeah, I just wiped it all over you.
Oh.
Oh, here, can we get it off you? Come here. So it looks like a hit on you.
Way to go, Dick.
Okay.
One left, one left. Anything? One still up with full. Look at that. I'm running low.
I got plenty of mags if you need them.
I think you're hitting your helmet. You're hitting the mask. Yeah, you're hitting right here.
Just wipe it, go take a respawn.
Yeah, just come back. Alright. One at full.
Yeah, you are, buddy. You're hit on your gun, buddy. You're out.
Good hit.
I see you looking. It sounded like somebody was shooting this wall. Can you see anybody in there?
I don't see anybody in there.
Anybody up against that other wall?
Unless it's behind that wall that's inside
Yeah.
to the next one.
Okay.
Now I had that one wall right here.
Yep, yep.
Like if you look right here, that's one right there.
Okay.
You got one at the school.
right, where's it?
One file.
You guys have 5 minutes left. No more 50. No more respawn. No more 50. No more respawn. 5 minutes left.
Clear. I'm here, man. All the way up, all the way up. Check the alleyway.
Are you good?
I didn't feel anything. Same team? You're armband? You're an armband? That's not the same team then. Two of them. Right on top. I can't tell what's out there though. I'm like a sitting duck. There was a guy right up against this wall.
Right here. One guy right up in the side.
You're out, bud.
Thank you.
In those buildings, the green one. Green building. Right in the doorway.
Right to the doorway. Is that our teammate?
I don't know. Yeah, we're both the same team, bud.
Come in. We have the board.
Arcade.
Okay.
Yeah, one in the arcade.
How many we have up there?
The guy in the green building's out.
Hey, that was my fault. That was my fault.
You're fine, man. You're fine.
I know we have the board.
I've been going at it with somebody right here for a while.
Oh, that's what I said. We got the board.
No, that's my fault. My fault.
No, you're good, man. You're good. I don't know. I don't see anybody. Oh, there's one guy. One guy in the blue building. Blue building. Blue building.
Blue building.
Blue building. Blue building. There was one guy.
Copy that. I got one right here that he can
Where's he at?
consistently at that first bunker at the right, the like stack of crates. Yeah, that one. He's right behind that stack of crates.
The first one?
Yeah, on the far right.
There's someone by the spool
Can't
too.
bunker him. You have to surrender him. Just one. There's one here, and then there's one in the building here.
All right, I'm gonna try and go around then, I guess.
I went there.
All right, I got the going.
Hold that right.
Somebody said there was in the blue building?
Yeah.
What do you see? What do you think?
Do you see across? Am I clear?
I don't see no one across. How would I get out of it?
I'm gonna shoot across the blue building.
That's it.